Good morning! Introducing Taste Beauty's NuWave Facial Steamer. Very easy to use. Simply pull back on the water tank, unscrew the lid, and fill with bottled water. Once the water tank is full, screw the lid back on and reinsert the water tank. Final steps are to plug it in, then flip up on the switch to turn it on. Using a facial steamer during the first few steps of your beauty regimen is helpful due to its ability to help open your pores. Cleanup is easy. Simply push down to switch off, empty the water tank, and unplug your machine.